Now, we have dramatic video of a confrontation that ended with the arrest of one of New York's Democratic mayoral candidates yesterday. Officials accused Brad Lander of assaulting law enforcement, and some Republicans called his actions a stunt. He says he was trying to escort a migrant from immigration proceedings. Lander was later released without being charged. CBS New York reporter Ali Bauman spoke to him about what happened. Ali, good morning.
Good morning, Nate. The city comptroller says he had been volunteering with an organization and was trying to accompany a man out of federal court after his immigration case had been dismissed. He says when ICE agents tried to detain the man in the hallway, he held on to the man.
You have a judicial warrant.
New York City comptroller Brad Lander says he was trying to escort a man from immigration proceedings yesterday when ICE agents forced them apart. A judge had apparently dismissed the migrant's case, which Lander said could allow ICE to detain him for expedited removal. Lander could be seen locking arms with the man and repeatedly demanding ICE agents show him a judicial warrant. They ultimately put Lander in handcuffs, and the migrant was taken into custody. In a statement, the Department of Homeland Security said Lander was arrested for assaulting law enforcement and impeding a federal officer. Lander was released, and pending an investigation by the U.S. Attorney's Office, he hasn't been charged. We spoke to him about the incident last night.
It was important for me to go down there and stand up for the rule of law and due process in New York City, and apparently that is not what the Trump administration wants people to do.
Lander's episode comes as a spate of Democrats have had run-ins with immigration officials. From Newark Mayor Ras Baraka, who had the charges against him dropped after he was arrested last month while protesting at an immigration detention center, to California Senator Alex Padilla, who was forcibly removed from a news conference with Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem last week. Padilla addressed the experience in an emotional speech on the Senate floor yesterday.
If a United States senator becomes too afraid to speak up, how can we expect any other American to do the same?
And Lander says as far as he knows, the man he was trying to help is still being held in ICE custody, but he only knows his first name. ICE maintains agents do not need a warrant to take a non-citizen into custody in public places such as a courthouse. Tony?
Ali Bauman, first time on set with us. Great to have you.
Good to see you.